How to start in a 320 credits, 11 Labs, Airbus, and flybywire. Link to download the flybywire A320 is in my BioWorks in msfs 2020 and maybe 2024. I didn't check for the 2024 version. All right, here's the drill. First, turn on the batteries. Then, if you have external power, switch that on, shown in the clip. If not, go APU master, APU starter, just like I did. Next, set up the flight plan. Optional, but seriously, what are you going to do without one? Request pushback. If you're a naughty boy, use reverse thrust. Once pushback's done, open ignition, turn on APU bleed, turn on the fuel pumps for the engines. Push the engine 1 fuel valve, then engine 2 fuel valve optional. Unless you actually want 2 engines running, I might do single engine next time for fuel efficiency. After that, do your extra bits like auto brake and lights. I probably already did them, but whatever. Then taxi to the runway, take off, cruise, and eventually realize you're way too high and overspeed for approach. That's when you have an unstable approach like me. Stable approaches are for when your passengers paid a lot or are noble people. In our case, nope. We just make them pray and hope the plane lands. And land.